Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows could not be installed error, and the error code you get on the screen is 0x80070714. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Let's start the video. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this you need to find SQL. Just press S key. After finding the SQL, the startup type of that SQL is automatic. You just need to change that from automatic to manual. For example, if this is SQL, just double click on that. You can see a startup type, it is manual. If it is automatic, you just need to select as manual. Then click on start, click on apply and click OK. Like this you need to do all for supporting SQL services. After doing that, just close this window and restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows could not be installed error, and the error code you get on the screen is 0x80070714. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.